Scotty, what the haps be?
Just trying to get everything cleaned up so we know exactly where things may or may not be, or if there's any leaks or issues.
Your valve cover gaskets are on the way, but I don't think you're going to be changing those today because they're going to be here too late.
Yeah. Oh, wow, look at that.
All right, you can actually see.
Okay, so that side's cleaned up.
So you have all the plugs in yet?
I have one plug left to go.
Nice.
And then...
Tell me about all the vacuum lines, by the way.
Okay, so... I'm like, something's just not right with this thing, and I know it. Which, when I found that first one, which is the super long one here...
Little titty. Yeah, I see it.
That one fits really good. Okay, so nice and tight. So I'm like, I'm going to start checking the other ones. And, wait.
That one's split too, yeah. Yeah, probably change that out.
Yep.
It's from desert heat, just sitting in the heat. But all right, so Scotty's got that. But you've done all the rest of the vacuum lines.
I'll pull that in a second and replace it. Fixed it here. It was way too loose. We need to get a new grommet, but it's now super tight, so it may hold for the moment, but we'll get that done. It was so loose here, you could go doink. And that's brake vacuum, and this thing has a braking issue.
Yes.
So
probably
redid it here, redid it here. Fixed this leak. I just finished this one.
Nice.
So I'll probably try and straighten this out just a little bit more, just being the safe side. So we've got not quite so much of a kink right here. I don't like it.
You like kink, though.
Well, not really. I'm very much an old romantic kind of guy.
Oh,
sweet. Dinner, movie, fireplace, swallow.
What? Okay. Anyway, so on Monday, I'm going to get the fitting for here.
Yep.
So we can put this right in there and be perfect.
Yeah, because this is...
We'll get that nicer. Yeah. We're going to spruce that up. Valve cover gaskets are on the way.
Yep. And I'm thinking, because this fitting is actually kind of hanky, like really bad, I'm thinking that we kind of bend our line where we need it, cut it, and put a new fitting on it. Just reflare it. Just so that it looks respectable, looks nice. I mean, you can see the difference just there to there. And all I do is just wipe down.
This one needs to be done.
Yep.
Moving forward. All right, so probably next week we'll have this baby up on the lift, which
and then
means
we'll do the conversion.
oil and the brake conversion, and we got some exhaust work to do.
Yeah.
So hoping to get this baby out of here by middle to end of next week, depending on how things fall.
Well, now that we have
more help,
which is greatly appreciated, you have no clue.
No.
I think between the three of us, we can start really getting some stuff focused on and cranked out. And it's like, okay, well, me and Nick can tackle that real quick because, between the two of us, we can get it, blah, 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 blah. And then you can go whatever, blah, and we can just start getting things done and be a little more timely like we need to be.
Yeah, it's just, we're buried. We're busy.
Because
busy happens. That's the problem. It's busy happens. I'd like to put like a little something to hold that square, if we can.
If we include the Jaguar,
your Jag,
we've got 10 cars that need to be fixed.
Yeah, well, you fixing yours later.
Yeah.
But anywho, so rubber there.
Yep.
But other than that, man, it's super nice.
Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of all the vacuum leaks, figure everything done and taken care of.
Everything is resolved as we can.
There we go. Come
on, Scotty.
And
keep it up.
And survey says, wait.
Ding, ding, ding. Oh, yeah. There we go. All right, put a cap on it. Fresh cap.
Well, we're done for the moment until we get our fitting.
We get our fitting here.
To get this
our
taken
valve
care
cover
of.
gaskets just showed up. That's what AutoZone brought.
So I will put those.
Grab them so you can show them. Show them what we've won, Johnny. Oh, they're the nice ones.
Touch them like you know them.
They're the good ones.
At least that's what I always say.
They're the perma-dries. They're way better than these rubbers.
Oh, God, yes.
Rubbers. Broken rubbers. These are more broken rubbers.
So I'm thinking if we do this
I was a broken rubber. Shut up.
Monday morning when I get in, this is what I'll tap.
And I'll bring you the fitting when I get here. We'll get that done.
And we've got the blue paint for these valve covers, don't we?
Well, this car, because it's a 64.5, it's supposed to be black with the gold. So
there's nothing on here that would be...
No, it's been painted. It's been pulled and painted the wrong color.
Okay.
So, and the Ford blue that I have this is actually a Mopar
Yeah, let's say that looks Mopar or older GM.
Or newer Ford. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just, it is what it is. Leave it.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll get the valve covers done, get the gaskets on, get that taken care of. And then when you get in for the fitting, we'll do this, get this taken care of.
Get that done quick. Yeah.
And then it's in on
oil
the lift.
change
Yeah.
on the lift, do the brakes, do the exhaust, and
It's out the door.
out the door.
Yeah. So hopefully by no later than,
I'll say Thursday.
yeah.
Because
Well,
I got- I gotta
let's
go
go
to-
towards the end of the week because
Yeah,
you're going to be
either
gone
Thursday-
for 2 days. It's only going to be me and Nick.
Yeah, well, I
You know,
might
so-
I might steal him one day to go to the Monster with me too.
Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah.
I
yeah.
got some stuff we got to get done. So,
And-
do you want to slap the? Where are you going? What are you doing? Yeah, I cut that off the other car.
We have a good fitting.
Scotty, I have bins of new ones, so don't get excited about used shit. God,
Bitch.
Okay.
And
cool.
here I was thinking I'm going to save us time.
No, I have all nice stuff. I stock nice things. Sorry, we do nice things. Mickey doesn't live here.
Yes. Yes.
That's not a nice thing. That's a small thing.
Oh.
Anyway, so
That's not what you said last night.
that's don't put me into your fantasies.
Hated it.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow, it's busy. Anyway, okay, so
Yes.
progress. Can you put the air cleaner on this? Because I want to go do a little test drive. Do a little test
Remember,
drive.
it spews fuel.
You spill fuel. It's fine.
Well, I don't want to.
I know. That's not it. That's for the T-Bird that's dead.
God, we have so many damn air filter lids.
Right? Anyway, put the air
Because
cleaner
that's
on.
for
That's for
that one.
Yeah,
Is this one in the trunk?
probably. You'll get it. It's got a blue base and a chrome top. Doing a little spruce up. I'm gonna test drive this just a hair. Fresh plugs. Oh, we got covered cap and rotor and how shitty they were.
Oh my God, dude, you have no clue.
I do have a clue. I'm standing here. It's not a raging clue, but
No, that would be a raging mow. There's a difference.
oh boy.
Yeah, they were trash. That cap and rotor was
Oh.
many a better day.
Wow, look at it's been arcing.
Yep.
At least these were copper. Half the time this is aluminum caca, but oh yeah, that's disgusting. That's bad. Ew. Check that in. Ew. Okay. All right, that's going in the old trash can. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicio. I mean, old plug wires.
Theo, I knew him well.
Just because what you enjoy giving. All right, so that's out. The nasty old plugs, those will be out. I'll fire this up. Fire in the hole, Scotty.
Oh, wait, let's do this proper. Both feet out.
You didn't tighten the air cleaner lid.
Check the leak first.
Yeah, it's leaking fuel. All right. Well, it fires up good.
Oh, yeah, I mean, this thing purrs. I mean, I didn't even touch the gas. Just boom,
Yeah, we
turned
can
right over.
we can move her over with a little drip, but we'll put up the fitting on Monday.
Yeah.
So yeah, tighten that up, get it nice and square so it's pretty, and then we'll just move it over. We'll just move it over closer to the truck, and then it'll be done for today. Progress. Good progress.
Oh, yeah. It's been a really good day.